Hello everyone. So today we are going to see the topic of time series, one method in the time series chapter. So here we have to find out seasonal indices using ratio to trend method. So here using ratio to trend method we have to find out the seasonal indices. This is what we have to do in the question. So for seasonal indices there are various methods. So this is also one of the methods of seasonal indices. Ratio to trend method. So here question is given, year is given, and then 4 quarters are given. Based on this we have to find out the details. We have to find out the information. So as the method says ratio to trend method, that means first we have to find out the trend values, and then we will find out the ratio, and then finally seasonal index. So these steps we have to follow. So first trend we will find out. For finding the trend, what we have to do? Okay, so if you know the regression equations, so that only we have to use here for finding the trend values. Regression equations: sigma y equals to NA plus B sigma x, and then another one sigma xy equals to A sigma x plus B sigma x square. So these two equations we have to use because we have to find out the trend values. Trend values means y equals A plus bx. And for this y equals A plus bx, we will need these two equations. So for these two equations, what all values we need, just see that, and then we will find out the information. So here we need sigma y, then n, then n is so we can count only, then sigma x, then sigma xy, then sigma x square. Okay, these all things we have to find out. So first what we will do, okay, here quarterly values are given, but for trend values we need yearly values only. So for each quarter we will total the values. Yearly total we will do. For each year we will do the total. Like here in this row 1987, 30, 40, 36 and 34. So these all four we have to add. So how much we will get? So here we will get 140 in this row. Then 1988, total of all these 4 quarters, so we will get 180. Then 1989 we will get 200. Then 1990 we will get 260, and then 1991 we will get 340. So this we are just taking the total, because for finding the trend values we need this. Now we will note down all the values. So here year, because now we have yearly values only. Yearly total means that one which we have calculated just now. So yearly total we will take, and okay, so here years are 1987, 5 years, 1988, 1989, 1990 and 1991. And what all total we got for each year? So that is 1987 140, then 180, then 200, then 260, and then finally 340. This we have got. Okay, so now what we have to find out? So first thing is, what we will do for this, we need all these values: sigma y, sigma x, n, then sigma x square, sigma xy. These all values we need. So we need one origin year for this. If you remember the least square methods, so we need one origin year. So from the origin year we can find out the deviation values, that will be our x values. Okay, so here yearly total we have calculated. Now one more thing, quarterly average we have to find out. Quarterly average, and that will be y here. So quarterly average we will calculate. That means yearly total we have got, right? 140 is the yearly total. So average of this is this yearly total, like 140 we have got by adding all these 4 values. So yearly total 140 we got. Now average of this 140 is 140 divided by 4. So 140 divided 4 is 35. 180 divided 4, 45. 200 divided 4, 50. 260 divided 4, 65. 340 divided 4, 85. Like this we will get the values. Now deviations we need. Origin year is not given here, so we will take this 1989 as origin year. If that is given, we will take that year only, but if that is not given in the question, we can take any year. So middle year we are taking. So like deviations, now we will find out from origin year. Deviations, and this will be x. X and y we need for solving the regression equations. We need these values. Now what we will do, so here deviations we have got, deviations we have to find out. So deviations from where? 1989 is the origin year, right? Base year or origin year. So first year 1987. 1987 minus 1989 minus 2. 1988 minus 1989 1. 1989 minus 1989 0. 1990 minus 89 1. 1991 minus 89 2. So like this we have got the deviation values. So here we need sigma x, sigma y, sigma xy. So here it will be, this is sigma y, this will be sigma x, and now xy also we need. So sigma xy we need. For that we will make xy column. So x and y, these two columns we have to multiply. 35 multiply minus 2, minus 70. Here minus 45. Here 0. Here 65. Just multiply the x and y columns. That's it. So here we will get sigma xy. That will be, okay, sigma y will be 280. Sigma x is 0 and sigma xy is 120. Now one more thing we need, that is x square. Because here sigma x square we need. So sigma x square, okay, x square, first square of this deviations column. So 2 square minus 2 square 4, 1 square 1 0, 1 square 1 4. So sigma x square will be 10. Like this we have got the values. Now we can put these values in our regression equations and we can find the answers. So regression equations, first equation is sigma y equals na plus b sigma x, and second equation is sigma xy equals a sigma x plus b sigma x square. Just put the values. So sigma y 280 equals, n is 5 years data is given, so 5 plus sigma x is 0, so 0b. Here it will be sigma xy 120 0a plus 10b. So this one, when we will solve first, this is the first equation. When we will solve this, so I think here it can be solved because 0b will give us 0 only. So we will be left with 280 equals to 5a. So then a equals to 56. Like this we can solve this second equation also. So here b we will get 120 by 10. So we will get b as 12. So now a and b we got. Now we can put this in the equation, y equals a plus bx. Here we can put it, y equals a plus bx, and we can find the trend values. So here, okay, year and then trend values we will find out with this, because the method is ratio to trend method. So first trend values we need, then we will find ratio and then seasonal index finally. Trend values, y equal a plus bx. So y equals a is 56 plus b is 12x. So here one by one we need to put the x values. Okay, so here 1987, 88, 89, 90 and 91. So here one by one we need to put the x values. So first one, y equals 56 plus 12x. So first year x value is, from here you can see the x value, deviation values. First year -2, then -1, then 0, 1 and 2, like this. So first year -2. So first year it will be -2. So here -2 we will put, then we will find out the solution. Like this we can put the x values in all the 5 years and then we can find the answer. So directly I am writing the answers. So second year, this is the trend value, third year, fourth year and fifth year. Now you will see one thing. If you see the gaps between two trend values, so here is gap of 12, here also gap of 12, here also 12, means it is increasing by 12 each year. So like this. Now these we have got as, these are the yearly trend values. Now we have to find out the quarterly trend values. Okay. For quarterly trend values, what we will do, like yearly gap is 12. So quarterly gap will be, yearly gap we can see as 12. Quarterly gap will be 12 by 4. 4 quarters are there each year, so 3. Quarterly gap will be 3. I'll tell you first. Okay. So now we need to find out quarterly trend values. For this, what we have to do, so here year, first quarter, second quarter, third quarter and fourth. 4 quarters are there. So for first year, the trend value is, first we will see that first year trend value is 32. So this 32 we have to plot first. Okay. So there is gap of 3 in each quarter. There is gap of 3 values. Correct? Because yearly gap is 12. So quarterly gap is 3 values. So first value is 32. So this 32 first we will put in second and third quarter. Second and third quarter gap is 3 values. So like 32, 3 values gap is required. So here both values should come. The values which should come here in between 32 should be there. So 32 should come between two values whose gap is 3. Like 32 minus 1.5 if we will do. So we will get 30.5, and 32 plus 1.5 if we will do, we will get 33.5. Correct? So here these two gap is 33 values. So perfect. So here 30.5, here 33.5. So here if we are going previously, so 30.5 minus 3 we have to do. So here 27.5. If we are going for next value, like 33.5 plus 3, 36.5. Next 36.5 plus 3, 39.5. Like this we have to add 3 values and then find the values. Now this is done. Now we have to find out the ratio. The method is ratio to, okay, so these are the quarterly trend values. The method is ratio to trend method. So here ratio to trend will be O by T multiplied by 100. T is what values we have calculated just now. So these are the T values, trend values. Quarterly trend values is T. O is what was there in the beginning of the question. So like this table will give us O values. Okay. And then this quarterly trend values will give us T values and then multiplied by 100. So like this we have to do. So finally I am writing here. So up to here it is done. Now this is the table. From here we will get the quarterly averages for each quarter. So quarterly averages we will get. That means for each quarter add all the values divided by 5 values are there in each quarter. So divided by 5. So here quarterly average we have calculated for each quarter, and then general average is the average of quarterly averages. This we have done. Now for seasonal index we have to apply this formula. Quarterly average by general average into 100. For each quarter we can find it out. So this is our final answer, seasonal indices. So in this method, first trends we have to find out, then ratio, then seasonal indices.